Once upon a time, in a cozy little house nestled at the end of a quiet street, there lived a furry and mischievous cat named Bojo. Bojo had a sleek black coat with bright green eyes that sparkled with curiosity. He was the constant companion of his owner, a kind-hearted woman named Sarah. Bojo and Sarah shared a special bond. They had been together for many years, and their love for each other was unwavering. Bojo was more than just a pet, he was a dear friend to Sarah. They had countless adventures together, from sunny days basking in the garden to lazy afternoons curled up on the couch. One winter, a heavy snowfall blanketed the town in a sea of white. Bojo, with his playful nature, couldn't resist the temptation to leap into the snowdrifts, leaving little paw prints everywhere. Sarah would watch from the window, laughing at his antics as he frolicked in the winter wonderland. Bojo's mischievous side showed itself in various ways. He would hide behind furniture, waiting for the perfect moment to pounce on his favorite feather toy. Sometimes, he'd surprise Sarah with a gift, a stolen shoelace or a shiny trinket he'd found during his explorations. As the years passed, Bojo and Sarah grew older together. The once playful kitten became a wise and dignified cat. They enjoyed quiet evenings by the fire, with Bojo purring contentedly in Sarah's lap. His presence provided comfort and companionship, and Sarah cherished every moment they spent together. Bojo's story was not just one of a pet, it was a tale of love, friendship, and the special connection that can exist between a person and their beloved pet. Together, they had created a lifetime of cherished memories, and their bond remained unbreakable. As the seasons continued to change, Bojo and Sarah's companionship deepened. Whether it was the vibrant colors of autumn leaves or the blossoming flowers of spring, they embraced the beauty of every moment together. Bojo's aging brought with it a sense of wisdom and a calm demeanor. He was always there to offer comfort when Sarah needed it most, gently nuzzling her when she felt down or curling up beside her during rainy afternoons. His presence seemed to soothe her soul, and she often confided in him as if he understood her every word. In their golden years, they faced some challenges together. Bojo's health began to wane, and Sarah did everything she could to ensure he was comfortable. Trips to the veterinarian became more frequent, and Bojo's once vibrant energy gradually gave way to a more relaxed pace of life. Through it all, Sarah remained by his side, caring for him with unwavering devotion. The bond between Bojo and Sarah remained unbreakable until one fateful day when Bojo passed away peacefully in his sleep. Sarah was heartbroken, but she knew that their time together had been a precious gift. She buried Bojo in a serene corner of the garden, where the sun always seemed to shine a little brighter. Though Bojo was no longer by her side in the physical sense, his memory lived on in every room of the house. Sarah would often find a stray whisker or a tuft of his fur, and it would bring a bittersweet smile to her face. She took comfort in knowing that their love and companionship had left an indelible mark on her heart. In their story, Bojo and Sarah had shared a lifetime of love, laughter, and countless cherished memories. Bojo's memory continued to warm Sarah's heart, a reminder of the deep and enduring bond they had shared. And while Bojo's physical presence was gone, the love they had for each other would always remain alive in Sarah's heart.